Feeling overwhelmed by customer service requests and lead generation tasks? Today, we're building an AI agent to handle those automatically, using the power of Vapi for voice AI and Make for automation. First, let's get started with setting up Vapi. Head over to Vapi and create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Projects section and create a new project. Within your new project, you'll want to select the Flow section. Next, switch gears to Make initiate a new scenario. This is where the magic happens in Make. Search for Vapi in the module selection and connect your Vapi account. Then create a new call trigger. Configure this trigger by providing your Vapi project ID to enable your Make flows to be activated by customer calls. You'll also define your phone number and other preferences here. Now it's time to design your conversational flow back in Vapi. Use the Visual Flow Builder and start by adding an initial greeting to welcome your customers. Then use text-to-speech modules to create a voice that answers their calls. Get speech modules, which listen for the customer input. Next, link these modules together to guide the conversation, adding intents to understand what the customer is saying. Finally, use Make to connect these prompts with data and actions. For instance, create modules to add new leads to your CRM, direct customers to the relevant resources, and more. Test the agent in the Vapi voice editor and make sure to configure a phone number in Vapi. Link all these modules together and you have your first voice AI agent ready to go.